Hello my people, welcome back to this channel. This is your girl Winreal23, and I hope everyone is doing well, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel, guys. I thank you so much. You are so much appreciated. And for those who are new to this channel, guys, this is your girl Winreal23. I do content about lifestyle, travel, anything that is nice and worth showing you guys. I will show you music, playing guitar, all the lot. So you guys, today I'm going to do a video about Mopane worms. Mopane worms. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how we prepare these Mopane worms. They are found in Zimbabwe, in the southern part of Zimbabwe, like Gwanda, Bridge, Matobo. So the southern part of Zimbabwe, guys. So I will be showing you how to prepare them, you know. So you guys, anyone, do you know about Mopane worms, guys? I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about them. Yes, they are found in Zimbabwe, in the southern part of Zimbabwe, like I said before, mostly in the Bridge, Gwanda, Matobo, those places. So these Mopane worms, guys, they are found in Mopane trees, hence the name, and they feed on the leaves, Mopane leaves. So they are seasonal, these worms, guys, they are seasonal. You don't get them every time. So that's why they are harvested in large numbers, dry, prepared, processed, and dried. So I've got them dried, guys. I've got them dried. This is the Mopane worm, and it's dry. So I wanna prepare it. I wanna prepare them. So the very first thing that I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to soak them in warm water. After soaking them, then I will drain and start cooking them. I'm gonna soak them for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we will take it from there, guys. I'm thirsty. I need an orange. This is the Mopane worms, guys. They are all dry. So I'm gonna soak them in warm water and some hot water in the Mopane worms. So this is hot water. Let me show you. This is hot water, as you can see. So I'm soaking them, guys, for 10-15 minutes, and we take it from there, right? So yeah. So whilst I am waiting for the Mopane worms to soften, I'm going to prepare my onions. I've already done the red onions. I don't like cutting onions because they do affect my eyes so much. I need to buy goggles to wear when I'm cutting onions. So I'm gonna cut these, clean these, and cut them. This phone, I'm using my phone. I'm not using my GoPro today because it's not charged. So guys, I've got these onions. They're all ready. I'm gonna cut the tomato. The last certificate from the bottom. My certificate from the bottom. Let's put it here. So I think we need this. I'm gonna be using this. I love these wooden spoons to stir or cook ugali. I love these wooden spoons, guys. These wooden spoons are a lifesaver for me. So I've prepared my onions and tomatoes, guys. I'm gonna start cooking my Mopane worms. So I'm gonna start by putting oil in the pan. And I've turned my stove plate at, let me put it on 5. So we're just waiting for the oil to heat up, and I'm waiting for the Mopane worms to soften. Yeah, I think they are nearly there. Let me add some more water. Water. So let's eat the orange. These are the Mopane, my Mopane worms. So they're like this, guys, with the Mopane worms. So I'm gonna put them in the oil. I'm gonna put them in the oil. Ooh. I'm putting them under my panel worms. Mopane worms. These are Mopane worms, guys. Especially cooked by Winreal23. So I just cooking these Mopane worms, guys. And I hope they are coming out nicely. Let's put a bit of salt. And then I like to put salt. Mopane worms, guys. These are Mopane worms cooked by Winreal23. So guys, I'm going to put a lid on. Right. Look at this. Ooh. Remember, these are Mopane worms, guys. Madora, Amatindi. This is in Zimbabwe. Orange. Afraid to use this. You got to be real. This is what I'm using to hold my hot pot. Sometimes I use the appropriate, handle, but I'm using this as an alternative. Let's be real. So my Mopane, I think they are nearly done. This is Mopane worms, guys, Mopane worms. So like I said before, guys, each and every country, they've got their own food delicacies. In other countries, they eat snail. In other countries, they eat frog legs. In Zimbabwe, we've got Mopane worms. So each and every country, they've got their own types of food they eat. Just to mention a few, there are countries like China, Vietnam, anywhere, Ghana, Nigeria, France, they all have their own different types of foods they eat, which other people don't eat. So in my country, we have Mopane worms, which are mostly found in the southern part of Zimbabwe, like the Great Bridge, the Rwanda, the Matopo, and they are found in Mopane trees, hence their name, guys. So I'm gonna add my tomatoes to complete my cooking. Guys, Mopane wings, and I'm going cook ugali or salsa, guys, in this pot. So this is just for me because my daughter doesn't eat the Mopane worms, so she will not eat them. So it's just gonna be me only eating ugali with Mopane worms, guys. I hope you're not gonna judge me after this, guys. This is one of our foods which we eat in Zimbabwe. Not all of us. Some people, they will not eat this, but some people, they eat Mopane worms like me. I have tasted them before, and I will continue eating them, not every day, but whenever I can, guys. So I'm just gonna reduce the fire. That's it. So I'm just gonna check. So guys, I'm just gonna take only small ugali. I can show you how I cook ugali, guys. Let me show you how I cook ugali. This is my ugali there. Okay. Yeah. This. Okay. So I'm gonna cook my ugali. Oh, we're gonna swap. So this is a Mopane rice. Mopane they are all cooked. So I'm gonna cook ugali now. Let's cover them. I'm gonna cook my ugali. Ugali, 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 ugali. This is my ugali cooking, guys, in my kitchen, my old style kitchen, guys. This life, guys, I'm going to do a video. I haven't finished making the video, guys, about life in the UK, about my life, how I came to the UK, guys. But I'm going to be showing you this, guys. I think this is the time. I've got all the time in my hands to do this video. I think I'm gonna go in full-time digital content creator, guys. So I am jobless at the moment, but it's okay. It's gonna be okay. Not to worry. So guys, I am showing you this video so you can support me. Be careful when this is how we cook our ugali, guys. When we are cooking our ugali or salsa, we cook this way. We let it boil, and I need to be careful. So I'm shielding myself with this lid so that it doesn't, you know, burn me. So I think I'm safe now. So I'm cooking it this way. This is ugali. I'm cooking, guys. And in my country, we don't cook our ugali hard, so we cook it soft. We prepare it very, very soft. We don't make it hard. We cook it, some of us, we do it runny. We don't want the hard ugali because of stomach problems. So that's why I do mine very soft. So this is my ugali. I do it very runny because of stomach problems, guys. If I eat very hard ugali. So this is my ugali I prepared. This one is very soft, you see. This is how I cook it, but when I'm in Kenya, I don't cook it this way, guys. When I'm cooking it for my husband, I don't cook it. I don't cook it this way, guys. I cook it the Kenyan way, which is very, very hard. But because I'm on my own at the moment, so I have to cook it Zimbabwean way. So guys, I've finished preparing my ugali. I'm gonna serve it. I'm gonna serve my ugali. Okay, so that's how we serve our ugali, guys, in Zimbabwe. We do it this way, especially when we are serving it to elders. We just don't scoop it and put it in the plate. We do it like this so that it gives a good shape. You see? This is my ugali. I'm just gonna cover this. And when you cook salsa in my culture in Zimbabwe, you don't leave the spoon like this, especially when you are at your in-laws. You don't cook salsa or ugali and leave the spoon just like this. They won't be happy with you, so you have to take out your spoon. Even if there's something left in the pot, which we are going to transfer to another plate, you wash. So you see, guys, I've washed my spoon. It's all nice and clean. You don't leave it with ugali. So I've done my ugali. I'm going to serve my Mopane worms. So guys, and so this is my meal, guys. This is ugali and Mopane worms. So this is what I prepared today, guys. This is ugali and this is Mopane worms, guys. I prepared this dish, ugali and Mopane worms, guys. This is my meal. This is a meal from Zimbabwe. Mopane worms and salsa in other countries like Kenya, ugali. So I'm gonna have a good meal tonight, guys, and take care, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Please comment, put a comment down below if you are familiar with this, guys, and just give a comment, guys, in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share my video, guys. Mopane worms and ugali. Mopane worms, guys, and ugali. And for those who are new to this channel, this is Winreal23. I am your favorite girl. So guys, I'm going to tuck into this, guys. very nice, guys, very delicious and very nutritious, guys. And so for those who are new to this channel, guys, subscribe to Winreal23, like and share my videos, guys. I love you all.